tops. What kind of tools do you guys have?
Is the soil any better here, or
well,
is it?
With this thing it is. With that shovel it's useless. You might as well use a stick. A stick would probably be better.
Hey, don't grab those back here.
Okay.
The roots are pretty long.
They go way down. Plus you got half a dozen different roots all intertwined. So yeah, there's, you see, this is all one big root.
Yeah,
right there.
you have to try to find the end to get out. It was amazing last night though, after you guys took the root.
Yeah.
What you were feeling like, how it was starting to clear sinuses.
Almost immediately you felt clear.
Yeah, you weren't coughing anymore afterwards.
Yeah. Well, that's why the Indians actually use it to prepare a runner, because it opened up his lungs and his sinuses. They didn't breathe better.
Yeah, I read that it forces you to inhale more.
Yeah.
It's hard to believe until you actually try it.
Yeah, it sounds ridiculous, but when you actually try it, you're amazed.
Wow, they're way down there. These ones are
This is
long.
one big root.
Amazing. You can get a lot out of it. Just
Whew.
from one plant.
Well, like cutting firewood, it warms you both ways, right? I find that it ups your metabolism when you take it, but when you're digging it out, boy, you certainly get a workout.
Yeah. Okay. But no farther than that one, okay? We have to stay close.
Ants or something. You're stepping on them, Mom.
Oh.
Hey, Mom, I have a sheep. It's a big dog.
So I think this area I'll have to move on from.
How's it coming?
Well, if I would have known that this was a root I was going to be digging out, I would have brought a saw with me.
It's long. Longer than the ones yesterday.
Look at this thing. That's the root.
Wow.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
come take a look at this thing.
Alright.
There's the root.
That's the root?
That's the root.
Look how long that is.
That's a root?
It's
Almost
huge.
attached to this thing.
I lost the root over there somewhere.
Hey, Mom.
What are you up to over here? You finding roots?
Yeah, look to the fudge.
Oh wow, you're making big hole, huh? They're pretty hard to get at, aren't they?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. Just watch your fingers.
Tree root from the trees up there. Because these guys, this is a root from the flower, right?
Okay.
And it's kind of growing around this. Can you see these? They're going kind of underneath it. So they're actually just kind of growing around this
Okay,
big.
now that you've dug it all out.
Thank goodness this
Oh,
isn't the
my
root I
goodness.
had to go after.
That's funny.
So there's
Okay,
a chunk
so
of the
there's
root.
the roots.
Right
That
there.
makes more sense.
Yeah, thank goodness, eh?
Oh, you found some more root.
Mhm.
Let's see. Good. Wow, you had to make such a big hole. Are you almost getting at the bottom?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Okay, I'll be there in a second, lovey. Awesome.
So I'm getting the flower and the root.
Yeah. You certainly have to dig down to get the bottom of the root.
Yeah.
Wait, what I got down here,
Okay, watch out.
you know?
What did you find?
I don't know what that is. Is that a cricket or what? Don't get too close to that blurry.
I don't know. It was under the ground.
Yeah, it was way down deep.
Wow.
Hey, Baden, come here. Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Bring it.
Your hole's getting pretty big.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
You think you're almost near the bottom?
Yep. Oh, man, they're tough.
Well, there's other roots down here too. You have to dig around, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you get it in the bucket?
See what I'm doing, Josiah?
Yeah.
I'm digging around the plant, going down deeper and deeper and deeper until I can get down underneath the roots.
Which guy will come?
Grab a plant and start working, dude. Doesn't help that there's rocks in here, but it's good soil.
Yeah.
About 3 inches, 4 inches across. And I know it's part of it too. Like the other one. Get down here and do some digging, Mama.
Well, look at the size of the leaves on this one.
Yeah. Can you imagine what the root looks like then?
Yeah, but it's really healthy.
Is this a root? I thought it's a root.
Oh, you managed to get it out.
Yeah. Well,
That's a big root.
a good chunk of it anyway.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, can cut quite a bit.
Yeah.
That's still good, too. That's widening, I think, no.
Well, it probably goes down
Let's
like
see.
5 feet into the ground.
See your
These-
progress.
Roots are amazing.
Oh, wow.
No wonder
So you're going to fill in your hole now?
Yep.
give the root a chance to grow again.
Yeah, there's still more root in there, so the plant should regrow.
You're doing good. Both Baden and Josiah are doing awesome.
We do.
We made it.